This video walks you through how to reactivate a cancel test subscription in Stripe. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard and going to the subscriptions area. This is where Stripe lists recurring subscriptions for your account, including active, canceled, and scheduled changes. If you are working in a test environment, make sure you are looking at your test data before you continue, so you are changing the correct subscription and not reviewing live records by mistake. Once you are in subscriptions, look through the list and open the test subscription that is scheduled to cancel. You are looking for the specific subscription that still exists but has a cancellation already set. When you open it, Stripe will show the subscription details page, where you can review its current status and any upcoming changes tied to that subscription. On that subscription page, find the Update Subscription button area. Next to it, there is a three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the available actions for the subscription. If you do not see the option right away, take a moment to confirm that you are on the correct test subscription and that the cancellation is only scheduled, not already completed. The action you need appears from this menu when a future cancellation is still pending. From the menu options, select Don't Cancel. This tells Stripe to remove the scheduled cancellation from that subscription. You are not creating a new subscription here, and you are not changing the billing cycle or plan. You are only removing the existing cancellation request so the current subscription can continue without ending at the scheduled time. After you select Don't Cancel, Stripe updates the subscription settings and removes the cancellation that was pending. The subscription remains in place and continues with its current active status. If the page refreshes or takes a moment to update, wait briefly and then review the subscription details again. At this stage, it is useful to look at the subscription status on the page and confirm that the cancellation is no longer scheduled. The key result is that the subscription should remain active with the scheduled cancellation removed. If you still see cancellation language on the page, recheck that you opened the right test subscription before repeating the same menu action. This process is specifically for a canceled test subscription that has not fully ended yet, but is scheduled to cancel in the future. The important distinction is that you are reversing a scheduled cancellation, not restoring a subscription that has already finished. In Stripe, that action is handled directly from the subscription details page through the three-dot menu beside Update Subscription. The scheduled cancellation has now been removed, and the test subscription remains active in Stripe.